Today, I will explain how to make Korean feast noodle easily, even for foreigners. You can easily buy this anchovy broth at the market. Boil water. Put 2 pack in water. While it's boiling, let's make seasoning sauce quickly and prepare the bowl. Half of 1 green onion. If you have hot pepper, add it. Half of crushed garlic. 3 spoonfuls of powdered pepper. Half cup of soy sauce. 1 spoonful of sugar and sesame oil. When the water boils, put noodle and leave it for about 3 minutes. Rinse the noodle in the cold water and drain water from the noodle. Put in and out the broth in the noodle to make the noodle warm. Add seasoning sauce and eat.